case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a legal battle that could reshape the consumer rights landscape, North American Lighting Inc. (NAL) clashed with Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation over a defective machine vision system, MVS, bought in 1994. The saga reached a climax in the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, which tested the limits of a law stating that a buyer can renege on a purchase if deceived by the seller and the product's faults substantially undermine its value. The battle originated from the purchase of an MVS by NAL. The system fell short of promised performances, much to NAL's dismay. Despite Hopkins's assurances of remedying the non-conformity, NAL opted to revoke acceptance of the MVS, sparking off the dispute. At the heart of the contention was the critical question: did Hopkins breach their contract by delivering an underperforming system, and was NAL justified in revoking acceptance? The district court initially decided in NAL's favor, ruling that they were entitled to a refund of the partial purchase price. Crucially, it was established that NAL had the obligation to comply with industry standards and daily quality control testing for the production of their headlamps, per Motor Vehicle Safety Act requirements. However, the plot took an unexpected turn in the appellate court, where it was decided that Hopkins deserved compensation for the continued usage of the permanent MVS, despite NAL's revocation. This outcome precipitated a comprehensive reassessment of NAL's use of the MVS dating back to August 1989. In a ruling that partially affirmed and partially reversed the original decision, the case was remanded for further deliberation, leaving the final resolution hanging in the balance. This saga underscores the intricate interplay of consumer rights, contractual obligations, and industry standards in a progressive legal landscape.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.